quick little video here on back cracks. How do you get them and how do you prevent them? There's some welds right there. Now, when these saws are new, I like to polish that sliver tooth with a carbide burr. I use this for a lot of years, but honestly, my go-to tool is this little DeWalt router, because this gives you the most even contact while cleaning these out. So from the factory, I will hit these with a router and clean them up. So I really recommend a little handheld battery-powered router with a carbide bit. It just does such a better job than the die grinder because you get much more even contact. So that's what I do to prevent them. Now, some things that cause back cracks are excessive back in a saw, because your front is tight and your back will sit there and kind of shudder if you have excessive back. Anything more than a 64th and 4 feet is considered excessive. So 1/64th and 4 feet is sufficient back for a bandsaw. I try to stay around that or a little under. Some other things that are going to cause back cracks in a band are going to be your accumulators on your mill, the condition of your wheels. Check your guide pads to make sure you don't have cross alignment so the back end of the saw is not sticking out more than the front. And then any accidental deviations where you're going through the cut and then coming back and striking the back of the saw, causing damage. That will cause back cracks as well too. So you really want to make sure that your guide pads are square to your saw line. You want to make sure that you have no cross alignment. You want to make sure you don't have excessive back. You want to make sure your wheels are in good, excellent condition. And that's about it. If I've forgotten anything, throw something down in the comments.